your mandate we shall stand. For your mandate we shall stand. For your mandate, for your mandate, for your mandate we shall stand. For your mandate we shall stand. For your mandate we shall stand. For your mandate, for your mandate, for your mandate we shall stand.
Olórí ọ̀gbìn ṣe ń bọ̀, kò síbi tó máa dúró sí lórí stage lẹ́yìn náà ní báyìí. Ẹ jọ gbogbo àwọn tá a wà lórí stage ẹ̀dá sọ̀kalẹ̀ báyìí. Stage yóò lè gbà wọ́n. Ẹ jọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká sọ̀kalẹ̀, ẹ jọ.
Ìfẹ́ ti fẹ́. I'm so excited to stand before you to receive and welcome a man of integrity, a man of honor, a man of capacity, a man of capability, a man everything that you need as a leader to govern this state, even to govern Nigeria. It shows that our God has come of age. Like I said before, our gathering today is not just mere gathering, it's a movement, a confirmation of a movement, a confirmation that my God has taken the center stage in the polity of this nation. A confirmation that our God is the authority that the people have been looking for in order to redeem and to help the people of Nigeria from the shackles and the wickedness of the present government. As a party, we have started the movement in order to take over the governance of this nation. Today, beside me is the man of the moment. We all gathered here because we are happy to receive this man into our fold. It is a real privilege and honor for me as national chairman of ACORD and on behalf of the National Air School and ACORD all over the world to receive into our fold officially because he has already done the needful. We already come to his word and registered officially, but we want to unveil him and receive him officially into our fold so that the world will know that he's now a member of ACORD. So to answer, I officially welcome you into the ACORD family. of dignitaries from various political parties that are also becoming into accord. So, and not only that, we mention their names and we welcome them officially. And I'm also using this opportunity to call all Nigerians, wherever they are today, we are telling them they should come and join this family. Accord is a family. Accord is a movement. Accord has been positioned by God in order to redeem this nation.